In my many years as a geography professor, I've always been amazed by how many students come to me with the story that they've loved maps since childhood, seek them out and enjoy looking at them. This is hardly surprising, as maps are not only part of our daily lives, our culture and the World Wide Web, they may be one of the earliest forms of human communication. Hi, I'm Keith Clarke, designer and instructor for the UC online class Maps and Spatial Reasoning. I also wrote the class's online e-text, Maps and Web Mapping from Pearson Education. I've spent my whole career learning and teaching about maps, how they are made and how they are used. But how well do you understand maps? Not just as visual objects, but as scientific data, as the creations of standards, objects of design and historical records. Maps and Spatial Reasoning is an online class that fills in the details. We cover the basics of cartography, map scale, the size and shape of the Earth, coordinate systems of map projections, and land partitioning systems. Did you know that the United States Public Land Survey System has a single point of origin in East Liverpool, Ohio? Or that its origins in Ohio were a surveying disaster that needed a start over to cross west into Indiana? Next, we cover measurements from maps, map symbols, and navigation by foot, car, sea, and air. Do you know how GPS works and how your social media applications such as Foursquare know where you and your friends are? We also examine how maps were and are made, the technologies and methods from Roman Groma to air photos and web mapping applications. We also cover spatial thinking, how we can reason about geographic space with numbers and concepts. Spatial thinking is inherent in us. We already know how to do it. We just have to learn how to do it best. And Maps and Spatial Reasoning is the key to understanding how. The class uses online modules that discuss the various themes, an online e-text, Maps and Web Mapping, of which I'm the author, and a series of online exercises that guide you through the world of maps and mapping. When you finish the class, you will understand maps and how they work, be able to navigate with map and compass, with GPS, and across the GeoWeb, and understand what spatial thinking can do, not just for maps, but to improve your life in general. Hope to see you soon to start your journey through the world of maps and spatial reasoning.